how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable into your device and then sign into your account. Now to create a custom dashboard, you need to head over into the Interfaces tab, which you'll find in between Automations and Forms. In here, go ahead and select how you want to create your dashboard. So I'll try mine by creating it with the AI. So you need to simply enter your command into this section of how you want your dashboard to look like and where should the data come from for that dashboard, and then hit on that send button to send this command, and then it might take a while for the AI to create your dashboard, but you just need to wait for it to happen. So you'll basically find your dashboard at the right side of your screen once the AI has completely created the dashboard for you. So the dashboard would compose with all of the fields that you have on your table. So this is how it will look like. So you can basically click on this publish button at the top right of this dashboard to publish this as your dashboard. And that is how you can basically create a custom dashboard in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.